of the your frustum of a square pyramid, what you have to do is, you can see it on the front view. The top corner of the front view, top corner of the front view is joined with the base corner of the front view, your square pyramid. Okay, so this is your top corner of the square pyramid, this is your base corner of the square pyramid. So what you need to do is join these points with the help of a straight line. Okay, and at the back this portion will not be visible to you. Okay, so either you can draw it with the help of 2H pencil, or you don't need to draw it. And of course the base line will be made up of a HB pencil. After that, okay, what you have to do is you have to show the dimensions also. Okay, this is your 40 mm, this is your 20 mm, and this height is 60 mm. Okay, here's the another example. So projection of a frustum of a pentagonal pyramid are given, though its isometric view. So this top view and front view of pentagonal pyramid is given to you. So this question is also similar to the previous question. Okay, so first what you need to draw is the base of the pentagonal pyramid, that is a pentagon. So I will first draw the base of the pentagonal pyramid like this. Okay, then what you have to do, you can draw the same pentagon at the top also. Okay, then you need to find the center point of the pentagon. So I am what I am taking is this, I am drawing the line from the adjacent corner points. Okay, because I know, if you can see the top view, that if you draw the center line, if you want to find the center point of the pentagon, uh, of the larger pentagon and also of the smaller pentagon. Okay, so this line, this line will be passing through the both of the corner points of the pentagon. Okay, so what I will do here, I will draw a line from the corner point of the larger pentagon. Okay, and I will put my roller scale here, and I roll the roller scale till the distance between these two lines will be 20 mm. Okay, like that. So you can do you can do it from the all the corner points of the larger pentagon, and you can find the all the corner points of the smaller pentagon. Or you can, what you can do is, you can also draw a square outside the pentagon, like you did with the larger pentagon. Okay, and you can take the measurements from the sides of the square, larger square, to the smaller square. After taking that, you can draw a larger square at the top, and with the help of a measurement you can draw the smaller square. After drawing the smaller square, you can easily mark the corners of the pentagon. So that way also you can draw the smaller pentagon. After drawing that, you need to join the top corner of the pentagon to the base corner of the pentagon. Okay, and after that you need to show the dimensions. So this is your 20 mm, this is your 40 mm, and the height is what, 60 mm. Okay, in the next example problem, it is given that a square pyramid of a 30 mm base side and 50 mm long axis is centrally placed on the top of a cube of 50 mm long edges. Draw its isometric projection, isometric view. Okay, so first what you can draw is the cube of 50 mm long edges, because a square pyramid is